even though I'm out of them, I still notice that lavender Febreze smell in there. Even though I've been out for, they've all been out for a couple of weeks now. So.
Oh yeah. And there's the intersection. I got my red light ticket out. It was icy. I wasn't able to stop, but even so.
And they stuck you with the ticket, or?
Yeah.
K-A-Band.
What car was that in?
The red Sunfire.
And were you going this direction, or?
I was going this way. A shame those used to be houses and now they're businesses.
I wish they would get this beautiful truck out on the road. I just see it sitting there all the time. This,
yeah.
The Chevy Scottsdale. I love that truck. That is a thing of beauty. You don't let old classics sit.
No.
The old classics need to teach the young punk racer in the lane next to him who's really boss.
Oh yeah.
Like your minivan did to that Civic.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, that was.
Poor kid, I don't think he knew what hit him.
Yeah. And then Dixie, one time I was coming along Wellesley, and a young kid, a little racer, little rice burner, thought that he could outrun Dixie, and Dixie just wasn't going to have that. She wasn't going to let her feelings get hurt. She had to shoot him a thing or two. And at the intersection of Monroe and Wellesley, he gave me the peace sign, and he had to turn and go the other way.
Yeah, that's.
And actually, he was like peace. He didn't mean that in a
no, it was like, you got this, man. Way to go. Well done.
Yeah. And he tried too. I heard I heard that little 4-banger or 6-banger of his screaming.
Just didn't have what it needed, nope.
And he had NOS in there.
Oh wow.
And yes, he used it, and it didn't work. And that was just on Dixie's stock engine. Wait till I get done with her.
Oh yeah.
I have plans to at least investigate the thought of putting at least one turbo in, maybe doing twin turbo.
There you go.
Maybe. And why would I go with a turbocharger versus a supercharger? Because a supercharger takes energy to give energy, so you end up breaking even.
Yeah.
Whereas a turbocharger works purely off the exhaust. And so it actually gives energy without taking energy.
I've also heard that with diesel, turbo actually helps your fuel economy.
It does, yep. And that's the same also with gasoline.
I thought it was just diesel.
No, nope. But the one thing you'll notice when you get your commercial license is you've got to pay attention to your turbo, because you don't want to be at highway speed when it blows.
No. Your trip is done.
Your trip is done.
Not just that. You know how with a car you can shift to neutral